How are track and trace solutions implemented in manufacturing? Track and trace solutions in manufacturing are implemented through various technologies and methodologies to monitor and manage the movement of goods, materials, or components throughout the production process. These solutions typically rely on data capture, identification, and analysis to provide visibility, traceability, and accountability in the manufacturing supply chain. Here are some common ways track and trace solutions are implemented in manufacturing. Barcode and RFID, radio frequency identification, tagging. Barcode and RFID tags are attached to products, materials, or components, and are scanned or read at different stages of the production process to capture data such as item information, location, and time. This data is then stored and analyzed to track the movement of items, monitor production progress, and identify any discrepancies or issues. Manufacturing Execution Systems, MES software is used to monitor and manage production activities in real time, capturing data on materials, processes, and equipment performance. This data is used to track and trace products, materials, or components throughout the production process, providing visibility into the status and location of items at any given time. Enterprise Resource Planning, ERP, systems. ERP systems are used to manage various aspects of manufacturing operations, including inventory management, procurement, and production planning. These systems can be integrated with track and trace solutions to capture and analyze data related to materials, products, and processes, enabling end-to-end visibility and traceability. Cloud-based platforms. Cloud-based platforms provide a scalable and flexible solution for track and trace in manufacturing. These platforms typically use a combination of data capture technologies such as barcodes, RFID, or sensors, along with cloud-based software for data storage, analysis, and visualization. This allows manufacturers to access real-time information on the movement of items across the supply chain, enabling efficient tracking and tracing of products or materials. Blockchain technology. Blockchain technology, which is a distributed and immutable ledger, can also be used for track and trace solutions in manufacturing. Blockchain can provide end-to-end traceability by recording all transactions and movements of items on the blockchain, creating a transparent and auditable record. This can help manufacturers to ensure the authenticity, quality, and compliance of their products throughout the supply chain. Data analytics and artificial intelligence. AI, data analytics and AI technologies can be utilized in track and trace solutions to analyze large amounts of data captured from various sources, such as sensors, scanners, or databases. These technologies can help manufacturers to identify patterns, trends, and anomalies in the data, enabling proactive decision-making, predictive analytics, and real-time monitoring. In summary, track and trace solutions in manufacturing are implemented using a combination of data capture technologies, software systems, cloud-based platforms, blockchain, and data analytics, AI, to provide visibility, traceability, and accountability throughout the production process, ensuring efficient and compliant supply chain operations. Thanks for watching. Contact us, sales@smidnia.com.